Hello, it's Varun here. Okay, the next option is more specific to login customization. So we have a customizer option. Inside the customizer option, we have a setting WP login. Okay, and there you can configure the logo what you want to display on the login screen. You can configure a width for the logo. Suppose that I configure something like this one. Publish. And you can also set a font size for that one. Now we are going to check how it look like. We also have the option to apply certain themes on the login page, like we have 3 or 4 types of theme inside our setup. So like you can display the login page into one column and it will look like this one, something like this. Okay, so we have this interface where the logo is displaying inside the center, and we can adjust the height and the width of the logo. And if you want to change to a different theme like this one, publish. And we can also change the background options what we have here, like suppose that I'm going to use a custom image or some different pre-default image. Make those changes, publish, new window. You can see that the login is displaying like this one using a custom background, and you can upload your own background images. And if you want to customize the login form, like enable some transparency, even if you want to increase the width of the form, reduce the height or increase the radius, you can include shadow options, opacity. These things can also be configured on the login form one by one. Okay, and same thing can be done for the forgot form, because that is also going to load on the same WP login screen. For the button design point of view, you can also use the color scheme on that one. You can adjust the width and the padding and the button radius. Okay, so that is the one thing, like how to configure the login page, the default WordPress login page. The next option is to create a dedicated branded page. So with the Wbcom Essential, the plugin what we have installed inside with the theme, this plugin gives you flexibility to include a pre-built login interface. So I'm going to utilize this one, and first thing is going to keep as a Elementor full width canvas. And then we have some pre-built interface for the login one. So these are the template sections available for the Elementor, and they are getting loaded from our server. There is no API keys required to call those forms. And we have login section, login, and these are the predefined templates created, and which can insert them on the page. Okay, so this is the login form is injected here. So you can also set a login redirect, and you can also apply on which page they are going to be redirected after the login. So these options are also available on this login form, like the login redirect. You can also change the content for the login form. Okay, so this page is created as a login page, and then we are going to utilize this page for the login page mapping from the customizer option. Navigating back to the customizer again, and now you can go to the customize. The new login page is created. We are going to the general option, page mapping, and going to select the login page what we have created right now, publish. Okay, now if someone is going to open the login page, okay, right now I'm in the incognito mode. This login button is mapped with the custom login page what we have created. Let me disable the login pop-up. Publish. Okay. When the login pop-up is enabled, that will display the pop-up functionality. If it is disabled, it is going to display the page what you have mapped on the login screen. Okay, so this is the default login screen.